Thegio mwiroreri wa ICHUGU TV ni guthi na mbere na guikara mitambo-ini ni ikireka ringi nani ngoge kumenyithia uria bururi wa tinda ukigarira kiwonjoria ni riakwa ni WAMBUI wa ICHUGU na tukiambiriria ni ati mwaka muhituku thirikari ni yari na itanya ria kungania muigana wa shiringi bilioni 28 undu uria utakinyanire riu thirikari kwetukira ministry ya kigina guko bururi-ini ni yambikite mitaratara ya murimi munini gukorwo onake akiriha igoti. Jode Wakungu ari na riboti ino.
Thirikari kugerera ministry ya kigina ni yarire mitaratara mieru ya kurogota kigina gia shiringi bilioni 28 kiria yatanyite kungania mwaka muhituku. Ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti rwagire gukinyaniria kungania gwa kihuba giki kia mbeca thutha wa kigina kiria kiunganagio kumana na urehi wa indo guku bururi-ini kwaga gwika wega mwaka ucio. Oho mwaka muhituku thirikari ni yathundurire urehi wa magoti matiganite maria monekanire tari ma kuhinyiriria muingi. Riu mubango uyu wa kungania bilioni 28 ugutigirira ni wathora na wathinikania murimi munini kuona onake hari igoti egukorwo akiriha. Oho marihi ma motungata ma bengi ta kuhuthira ATM kuiga mbeca ukihuthira cheki no mongererwo na gicunji kia 20 hari igana ukiringithania na gicunji kia 10 hari igana uria mararihagio. Handu-ini ha Gikuyu television metha-ini ya wonjoria njitikaga Jode Wakungu.
Thegio Jode Wakungu ni undu wa riboti na tugithi na mbere ni ati ene ithei nini cia mutu guku bururi-ini ni mamenereria ndekithira ria thirikari ria kuriha thiri uria mari naguo wa kuriha ene ithei nene guku bururi-ini cia mutu na njira ya kumenderia bebe na thogora wa thi. Wanjiru wa Ngata ari na riboti ino.
Niguo gutigirira muingi ndurahinyiririo guoka ni kugura mutu na thogora wa iguru makiria, kiungano kia athei anini a mutu guku bururi-ini nikio United Grain Millers nikiuritie thirikari kwaga kuingirira thogora ya uguri wa bebe. Akiaria Peter Kuguru na uria ni muikariri giti wa kiungano giki ni ugite hatire bata kuhinyiriria muingi na koguo makihoka thirikari ikorwo ikimagitira kumana na thogora itari njagiriru niguo kurehe uigananu kuona kuri athei maguraga bebe ikonia ria kilo 90 na muigana wa shiringi 2,500 na thutha ucio kwendia mutugoro makiria
without affecting the price to the consumer too much. The price consumer is still within the 90 shilling per pack, per 2 kilo pack bracket.
Oho no maugite ushindani uyu wa thogore wathie na mbere ometa athei a mutu anini ni meguthie na mbere kuhinyiririo kuona athei anene marenderio bebe na thogora wa shiringi 1,600 na mari athei anini kwenderio na shiringi 2,500 undu uria ukuhotomia wonjoria wao.
We have tried very hard to look for the CS so that we can discuss this issue and sort it out. But it looks like the CS has been so busy that he's not been able to give us appointment. We were supposed to meet him yesterday, and then again we were supposed to meet him today. Now we are hoping that we shall meet him tomorrow. He said that he'll give us an invitation to meet him tomorrow. But you know, it goes on and then the market gets spoiled, so we cannot wait anymore. But we want to go to whoever it takes. Even if we go to the president, we shall go to the president and tell him that this must stop. There must be fair playing ground on the maize industry so that everybody can operate in fairness.
Thegio Wanjiru wa Ngata ni undu wa riboti urireke tuko tukimenya uria thoko citu cia tinda. Na hau niho ndekirira gaturumo mohoro maitu ma wonjoria ni riakwa ni WAMBUI wa ICHUGU tucemanie muthenya wa rucio.